Hello and welcome. Today we are learning plural nouns in English. Plural nouns show that there is more than one. English plural nouns have clear rules. Let's start with the most common rule. General rule: add s. Most nouns form the plural with s. Cat becomes cats. Dog becomes dogs. Book becomes books. Table becomes tables. Apple becomes apples. Now let's look at special endings. Some nouns need es. We add s after s or ss. Bus become buses. Glass becomes glasses. We add s after sh or ch. Dish becomes dishes. Watch becomes watches. We add es after x or z. Box becomes boxes. Some nouns ending in o add es. Potato becomes potatoes. Hero becomes heroes. But some o words add only s. Photo becomes photos. Piano becomes pianos. Radio becomes radios. Now nouns ending in y. The rule depends on the letter before y. Consonant before y. Change y to I and add s. Baby becomes babies. City becomes cities. Story becomes stories. Vowel before y, just add s. Boy becomes boys. Day becomes days. Toy becomes toys. Now nouns ending in f or fe. Many change f to v and add es. Leaf becomes leaves. Wife becomes wives. Knife becomes knives. Wolf becomes wolves. But some just add s. Roof becomes roofs. Chief becomes chiefs. Cliff becomes cliffs. No irregular plurals. These forms must be memorized. Man becomes man. Woman becomes women. Child becomes children. Tooth becomes teeth. Mouse becomes mice. Person becomes people. Some nouns stay the same. Sheep is sheep. Fish is fish. Deer is deer. Some nouns exist only in plural. Scissors are plural. Trousers are plural. Glasses are plural. Clothes are plural. Police is plural. Let's finish with practical tips. Remember the exceptions. Practice in real sentences. Use a dictionary if you're unsure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.